I've never seen something like this before. This is fancy. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow. That's wild. So you actually can have a staging outside stunt wall, and then you have your system inside too.
Yes. And all this plays off of that head unit is not connected to the truck. So
Did you build all of this?
Yeah.
Man. Wow, that's cool. So does this control inside the subsystem too, or is it separate?
It's separate.
Okay, got it. So which of these amps are for the sub?
All right, so this one's for the sub. The amp all the way in the back is for the doors in the truck, and then these run the horns and the tweeters and the stunt wall. So the middle one runs the tweeters and the horns and the truck itself, and then this one runs these horns and tweeters, and then this one runs these two 12s, those two 10s, and then this one runs these two 12s.
Wow.
And these four 12s.
How do you keep this from water? Is it safe from the moisture and the water and the rain?
I had one of these in here, PSI 10K, and then two of these stacked in here for about 2 years, and it sat outside with the blow through for about 2 years, and I had no issues with it. And now it sits inside.
Okay. Nice. All of this on just is it the 45?
No, that's a 120, and then there's a 50 behind it.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah.
So
Wow.
there's 175 amp hours in it. And then
That's over 100?
yeah, that's a 120.
Wow.
Of 5 amp hour cells.
Okay, I'm still learning the newer stuff. Wow.
And then there's another one back here.
There you go. This the same
Chemistry?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Any SPL tests for fun? Or SPL competing?
Did some yesterday, but I haven't done any tuning on the amp. With a level 5 18 from DC and the PSI 10K, it did a 52.1 at 28 hertz.
Wow.
Outlaw
Okay.
on the kick. And then yesterday on music, it did right around a 40 for 30 seconds at 28. And then
Wow.
what was it, 46, 47?
Yeah, 47.
At 28 hertz.
That's pretty good. So you tuned low then.
Yeah, I haven't done any O scoping on that JP93, and I just threw that sub in there. It got tuned like 5 minutes before we left from Ruckus on Friday night.
Yeah.
And it's been the same ever since.
So where's the box? Are you working with the box right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
The fuel tank is the sub box. You take that top piece off, and then the sub's hanging that way, and the sealed side's over here. And then the baffle is 3 layers with 2x4s around it, and you can actually move the baffle back and forth. So if you change the sub, you just move the sub baffle back and forth to change the sealed side.
Oh, got it. Oh, wow. Oh, I see now. Okay. I've never seen something like this before. This is fancy. And this is a 8-inch Aeroport kind of firing in for all your pressure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so the sub is actually way over on the other end.
Yeah, it's about, the motor's probably about a little bit further than this red piece, a little bit further in. You can't quite reach it if you stick your arm in the port. You can't quite.
So you got to unbolt it just to get in there.
Yeah, you got to take this off. This whole top plate comes off, and then you'll look inside of a 4th order sideways.
I'm sorry, my name is Crystal.
Okay, so there is this. Oh, what?
There's the sealed side's over there, and the sub hangs this way, and then the port's over here.
Okay. What's the ratio on this?
It is 2 to 1. It's 3 on the sealed side and 6 1/4 on the ported side. And then as for tuning, I do not know, because I built it with the space that I had, and I was willing to give up. So the port is what it is.
Got it. Okay.
And the truck just happened to peak at 28. It starts to fall off about 38 and 40.
Wow.
It'll play 22 to 38 with authority though. I mean, for a work truck.
Yeah, for a work truck. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you for showing me all this stuff. This is fancy.
And all the wiring's up in here. So all them jackets. There's not a wire that you can find.
Wow, that's nice and clean. And you got a DSP controlling a lot of this stuff?
The DSP
Or
controls
just
the doors.
Okay.
This is all done by ear. And crossovers on the amps.
Wow. How many, if you were to total your wattage in this system, everything was totaled up, how many watts are you running?
Well, all those are bridged. All those are bridged. So, and they're pretty much pushing everything they've got. So those are 3Ks. These are, you might as well say 600 ABs a piece. And I don't know what I'm clamping out of, but if you went by face value,
18 to 20K?
yeah, somewhere around there.
Okay, wow. So you got a whole new studio system for the outside versus the inside. That's awesome.
We used to play it on the job site.
Oh, so you can play it while you're working. So you said used to, so you don't use this for the work no more?
About 5-6 months ago, it got took out of the logwoods.
Oh, got it.
I used to drag this in and out of logwoods every single day.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
That's with the DC level 5 in there.
Is that the 2200 RMS or 25, I think?
I think so. The 3.5-inch coil.
Yeah. So that's your sealed side.
Mm-hmm.
Then you're ported, and that's the port we're seeing inside the cabin.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What made you decide to go with a 15?
It's 18.
Oh, that is an 18.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is a sealed section of that, around 2.5, 3 cubes? Do you
It's
remember?
3 cubes.
Okay.
And then this, the ported side is 6 1/4.
That's fancy. Thanks for showing me that. Wow.
No problem.
Nice. Oh. All right. Are you able to stage where you can turn switches or anything for the back out and on and off versus the subs too?
Yeah,
or?
it can play out there while this is playing.
Okay. You're probably clamping some power on that sub. If you...
I don't know what it's doing. Before, when I had the PSI 10K in it, it was clamping 79 at 28 hertz.
And even with the pressure.
Yeah, even for it to still be hitting the back of the seat.
Yeah, the amount of pressure from just the port. So that's the box. So you built the box, so you know pretty much everything about it.
Yes.
And you've done a lot of work on the cabin to get it.
Yeah, there's 6 layers on the roof. There's 6 layers on the floor till you start getting out to the edge because the door pods start hitting it.
Yeah.
And then there's about 8 or 9 over the transmission cover.
Wow.
And then the whole back is 3/4 birch from the top to the bottom. And then it's got a floor that comes down. And then the corners are done. And then that's all filled full of 16-pound foam. This has got some regular
Anything
foam
you can
in
do
it.
to stop the flex as much as you can.
Yeah, I don't want to destroy the truck as bad as
Yeah.
it already is. It wasn't a work truck for a long time.
Oh yeah.
It'll play 22 to 38. No
Okay.
problem.
Got it.
No
Nice.
problem.
Did a good job. Appreciate it. Your name again?
Clint.
Clint. Nice to meet you, Clint.
Let's see if we can't find something.
Shining bright, yes, I'm really grinding. They ask me if I'm real. Oh my damage. He's alive, baby, really
Your vehicle off?
Yeah, my truck cut off.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why.
All right. Is there a? Do you play the outside at all right now?
Yeah,
or just play
I'll
for a minute?
Yeah, I'll play.
Okay. Cool.
God dang. Everybody coming at my throat now. I'm about to sell all my real estate. Who need a $3 million house? Who need a whole damn car collection? It goes back to 1948. I'm a buy a trailer park and put hard blanks in every single window pane. Like, yeah. My life is like a zombie line would be strapped up like Call of Duty in the future, blasting plasma beam. My Chevy from a galaxy, nobody's human I can see, and I get pulled over by UFOs, moon rocks in the sea. 100 years from now, I'll be cruising in the clouds, 1,000 angels in the
It's alright.
It's alright.
Man, that plays pretty good lows for one sub.
Yes, sir.
It's playing really good lows for the fourth order too.
Yes, sir.
And instead of, it feels like a sixth at some of the notes, but it's a fourth, so you did a good job.